But before we get to the updates, I'd like to thank Homerilla for sponsoring today's portion of this video. I have Homerilla almost all over my house, and I love these curtains. So they're a luxury curtain company. You can customize them to almost any size that you want, and the fabric choices are endless. They have so many different fabrics. So I want to leave all of their information down below. I also have a discount code for you guys if you are interested. But let me tell you, their curtains have totally transformed all of the spaces in my house because they are that beautiful.
Let's hang these curtains together. So you can choose between black or gold. I actually picked gold. And what I love about these curtains is even if you're off by the sizing a little bit, you can adjust. So here you see that you can move the clip up and down. I need it to be at the highest point. I just went through and did that on the whole thing. Then you just hook the rings on the little clips, and that is literally all. Now let's hang them.